The Software Development Life Cycle (SDLC) refers to a methodology with clearly defined processes for creating high-quality software. There are 7 primary stages of the SDLC. 1. Planning stage. 2. Feasibility or requirements of analysis stage. 3. Design and prototyping stage. 4. Software development stage. 5. Software testing stage. 6. Implementation and integration. 7. Operations and maintenance stage. Planning stage dash. It helps to define the problem and scope of any existing systems as well as determine the objectives for their new systems. By developing an effective outline for the upcoming development cycle, they'll theoretically catch problems before they affect development. Analysis stage. The analysis stage includes gathering all the specific details required for a new system as well as determining the first ideas for prototypes. Developers may define any prototype system requirements, evaluate alternatives to existing prototypes, perform research and analysis to determine the needs of end users. Design stage. The design stage is a necessary precursor to the main developer stage. Developers will first outline the details for the overall application alongside specific aspects such as its user interfaces, system interfaces, network and network requirements, databases. Development stage. The development stage is the part where developers actually write code and build the application according to the earlier design documents and outline specifications. Product program code is built per the design document specifications. In theory, all of the prior planning and outlined should make the actual development phase relatively straightforward. Developers will follow any coding guidelines as defined by the organization and utilize different tools such as compilers, debuggers, and interpreters. Testing stage. Building software is not the end. Now it must be tested to make sure that there aren't any bugs and that the end-user experience will not negatively be affected at any point. During the testing stage, developers will go over their software with a fine-tooth comb, noting any bugs or defects that need to be tracked, fixed, and later retested. Implementation and integration stage. After testing, the overall design for the software will come together. Different modules or designs will be integrated into the primary source code through developer efforts, usually by leveraging training environments to detect further errors or defects. The information system will be integrated into its environment and eventually installed. After passing this stage, the software is theoretically ready for market and may be provided to any end users. Maintenance stage. The SDLC doesn't end when software reaches the market. Developers must now move into a maintenance mode and begin practicing any activities required to handle issues reported by end users.